Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay An Accident. In big cities, every day many road accidents take place. Last Sunday, I saw a very tragic accident on the road. It was 8 pm. There was a great rush of cars, taxis, and buses. The traffic lights were out of order. Every vehicle was in a hurry to overtake the other. At this moment, I heard a big crash and loud noise. A heavy loaded truck had collided with a fast running bus. Two motorcyclists had also been hit by the truck before it and crashed into the bus. In reality, all happened in a fleeting moment so that nobody could understand as how it had happened. All the traffic on the busy road came to a standstill. People rushed to rescue the passengers of the bus which had overturned. The motorcyclists were lying unconscious on the road. The driver of the truck had also been injured and his truck had been damaged badly. Many passengers of the bus sustained serious injuries. The traffic police was also informed by wireless. They arrested the driver of the truck who was dead drunk. Thus, we saw the fault of our driver caused 3 deaths.